We'll guide you through how to make a background transparent in Paint.net. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Paint.net on your computer and load the image you want to edit by clicking on File and then Open. Once your image is open, you need to select the Magic Wands tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. This tool helps you select areas of similar color. Click on the background area you want to make transparent. You might need to adjust the tolerance level at the top to select the right amount of background. A higher tolerance will select more similar colors, but be careful not to include parts of the image you want to keep. Once you have the correct area selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. You should now see a checkerboard pattern, which indicates transparency. If there are multiple areas to remove, repeat the process for each section. After you've removed all unwanted backgrounds, go to File and select Save As. Ensure you save your image as a PNG file, since JPEGs do not support transparency. In the Save As dialog, choose PNG from the Save As Type drop-down menu. Click Save, and when prompted, select Auto Detect for bit depth to maintain quality. That's it. Your image now has a transparent background and is ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.